Our topic of discussion today is Substr and Instr. They are string manipulation functions in Oracle. So first of all, let's understand what strings are. Oops, one moment. They're stored primarily in two data types, char and varchar. Char is fixed length strings and varchar is varying length strings. Now let's suppose my string is this. I want to get the first two characters of this string, or the next four characters, or the next two characters after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters. We can achieve all of these using a function in Oracle called substr. This function allows us to extract a substring from a string. That's why the name substr. Now let's look at the syntax of substr. Okay.
Yeah.
So these three will be our input parameters. First one will be the string on which we want to do operations. Please note it down. Done? Now, a little bit more details about these parameters that we are passing. This is also called the source string. This starting position is the position for extraction. The first position in the string is always 1. Okay. This length is optional. If we will not provide this length, this substr function will extract the complete substring starting from the start position till the end of the string. What if we will specify a very large value in length of a string? In that case also, substring will extract the substring from the starting position till the end of the string. It will not throw an error. Now, whenever we use a function, there are input parameters and there is output parameter, right?
Yes.
This substr is a function. We have talked about the input parameters, the string beginning and the end or the length of the string. The return value of the string is of character type. Okay.
Okay.
The substr function returns string value. Now, note it down. This one is important. Okay. What was the third parameter? Third parameter was the length of the result. If we will specify this length of the result as negative, it will return us the null value or empty string. Okay.
Okay.
Now there are a couple of things that we need to remember. Points to be noted, my lord. Sheki was into law, so he understands this. If a start position is 0, then substr function will treat the start position as 1, the first position in the string. Okay. For example, if my string is this, what is the first position of this string? This one, right?
Yes.
Second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth position is given to underscore. Sorry, sixth position is given to underscore. Seventh, eighth, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th. So what if I want to select first 5 characters of my name? Suppose this particular value is stored in a field called name. So I want to select the first 5 characters of the name. Then it would be, okay, start from the beginning, take first 5 characters. So this was point number 1. Point number 2 to be remembered. First of all, let's note it down and then I will explain it to you. By the way, all of you have noted this down, right? Yes.
Yes.
What will be the returned value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So this is the starting,
A is the return value, right?
this is the starting position,
Oh,
not the length. 7th position is the starting position. And now we have missed the length. We have not mentioned any length here. So we'll go till the end of the string. So what will be the value which will be returned? Right? 1,
right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th character is A. So 1, 2, 3 till the end of the string. So it would be Ehsan. Third point. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's look at some examples. Now suppose my string is single space. Suppose this is my string. I'm calling this string as str test. Okay. The value of str test is this is a test. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. One space. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 characters, right? Now let's suppose I'm doing this. What would be the result? Start counting from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the sixth character?
I.
Correct. And what is the length of the string that we want to return? What is the length that we want to return?
You.
The length is the third parameter. So the length here is 2. So this is the first character that you want to return, and this is the second character that you want to return. So what we will be returning is.
Yes.
Next.
I have one question, sir.
Yes, Bilal.
So you are using as a parameter after the two word, right? This and this are the parameter.
No. This complete string is one parameter. This is a test is first parameter. This is second parameter, and this is my third parameter. My first parameter is my input string. My second parameter is my starting position, and my third parameter is length of the string.
And how about the two? I understand the 6, and at the 6 we use I. How about the S?
So 6 is the starting position. So that's how we will reach to the starting position. This is the first character. T is the first character. H is the second character. I third. S fourth. This space is fifth character. Now this I is my sixth character. That's how I reached here. And now I need to take two characters out of it, starting from this first character. So what I will be returning as a result, I will be returning is. You clear now?
Yes, thank you.
Great. So now tell me the solution to this second problem. This is a test for you, Bilal. What would be the result? Now look at the second point. If start position is a positive number, then substr function starts from the beginning of the string. So what would be the starting point? My sixth character. From this example, I know that my sixth character is this one.
Yes.
Now what is the length of the string?
2.
Length of the string in previous example was 2. In this example, length of the string is not mentioned. So we have to take the complete string till the end. So the result will be. Got it?
All of them is a test.
starting from is till the end.
How about the 1? If I put instead of 6 and
if you will put 1, then this complete string will be returned because first character of this string is T. And you have not mentioned the length of the string, so it will take all of the string till the end. If you will do it like this, what will it return? It will return this is a test, right?
and if I put 1 comma 2, then it will come only T and H, right?
Correct. So let's play more with these. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do more examples. I want to fetch out this area code. How will I do that? I will start from 4th character and take 3 characters, right? Suppose this is my phone number, which is stored in this format. And these 3 characters represents my area code, right?
Right.
I want to get this area code out of this string. How will I do that? So look at the first character. What is the first character? Plus sign.
Plus sign. Right.
Second character, 1.
1.
Third character, hyphen.
Nice one.
Fourth character.
3.
And 3 is the first character of my area code, right?
Yes.
So I have to start from 4th position.
Yes.
What is the length of my area code?
3.
Correct. So I have to take 3 characters starting from 4th position. So Fujan, tell me what will this return? Starting from 4th position and taking 3 characters. What will be the value that I will be getting as a result?
1, 2, and underscore.
No, I will be getting 2, 1, 2. Because I am starting from the 4th position, I will take this 4th character as well. So I will start from 2 and count up till 3 characters. So 2, 1, 2. Got it? One more example for you. Now get me the country code. Country code is +1. How will I get +1?
+1, right.
What would be the 2 parameters that I will be passing here? Starting from the first position and take 2 characters, right? So that will give me plus and 1.
Yes.
What if I want to get this 9, 2, 1? What will I do? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my 8th character.
8 character, right.
And how many characters do I want?
3.
Correct. Very well. So the parameters would be 8, 3. Got
Right.
it?
Yes. 9 to 1.
Good, good, good. So far, all of you are clear. Now let's put twist in the story. What would be the result? Point number 3, whenever we'll pass negative, we'll start counting from backwards. So count 8 characters from backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right?
Why it backwards?
Because this is -8. Point number 3.
Oh yes.
If start position is negative, then substr function will start from end, and we have to start counting backwards. Counting from the backwards.
Okay.
So start counting up till 10 from the backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It is the underscore, right? The underscore.
There is no underscore.
Oh.
And there is no space. So n is the character to which I reached it. And how many characters I have to take after n? 10 characters. Right?
Right.
What would be the output? Correct?
Yes.
Good.
Why is it 10? And say, and after -8, we count as an n. And why the aggregate is coming?
Because of the point number 3, whenever this value is negative, we have to start counting from the end.
Understand it, but how are the aggregate agrawal? Why is it coming?
10 characters after n. So this is first character, second character, third character, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. And the string ended. There are no more characters. So that's why the string that we will get as a result will be N Agrawal. Got it?
So it's like kind of a back and forth.
Yep.
Okay.
And the point to be noted here is if this value is very large, suppose I have mentioned 100 over here and there are no 100 characters left. So I will go till the end of the string and I will stop there. The return will still be N Agrawal. If I would have mentioned just 8 instead of 10, I would have got the same result, right? One more example. Suppose this is my string, fun and learn. Okay. I'm saying -5 and I'm saying 5 after that. What would be the result? Bilal?
L and learn.
Correct. Good, Shaki. Sujan, you're not getting it? Sujan, hello? And str function is used to return the location of a substring in a string. For example, if I want to check for the countries which have N in their name, in that case, this function would be useful for me. We'll be using this function to check whether a particular substring exists inside the input string or not. The syntax goes like this. Come on. 4 parameters: string, substring, start position, and nth position. All of us are clear about these 3 terms. We are not clear about this term, nth position. Nth position means we want to start searching for the substring inside our input string from this start position, and we want to find out the nth position, whatever we'll put here. So let's suppose we want to find out the second position of a given substring inside a string. Let's define each of the parameters. This is the string to search. What can be the data type of this? All of these data types can hold strings in them. So all of these can be valid data types for INSTR. Got it? This start position is optional. If we will not provide this start position, by default we will start from the beginning. This represents the position. Got it? We are ready to do some examples now.
Yes. It's
Now look at this case. In this case, the starting position is omitted and the nth position is omitted as well. So in this case, the starting position is defaults to 1. The nth position also defaults to 1. What we have to do is we have to look for O starting from the beginning, and we have to look for first position of O. What is the first position of O? This is the first position in the string, and this is the second position in the string. And this particular position also matches with the substring that we are searching for. So
But
the
they have
position,
2 O.
the nth position of substring is, if it is omitted, it defaults to 1. So we are searching for the first occurrence of O in this string. So where is the first occurrence of O in this string? Its second position, right? So the answer would be 2.
Okay.
What would be the answer now? In this case, we have given all 4 parameters. O is the substring that we are searching for. We have to start from first position, and we have to look for the 4th occurrence of O. Okay? This is the first occurrence, this is the second occurrence, this is third occurrence, and this is the 4th occurrence, right?
Yes.
So what would be the answer?
O.
Hell no.
2.
What would be the answer?
17.
The answer would be 16. We have to start searching from the first position, and we have to look for the 4th occurrence of O. This is the first occurrence of O. This is the second occurrence, third occurrence, and the 4th occurrence. So that is why when we will count the words from the beginning, the index of this O will be 16th.
On 16th.
Okay.
What would be the result? What would be the result of this? Anyone?
Yes, 1 second, please. Two. First one is
13. Yeah.
So the answer would be 12. Start from the beginning and search for the first position of is.
Okay, okay.
Now there are 4 questions for this. What, when, where, who, how. We need to look for W and we need to start looking from the second position, and we have to look for the second occurrence of W. What would be the answer of this? Start looking from the second position. So which is the second position, this one or this one?
H.
Suppose this is A and this is B. What would be the second position?
Second position.
B.
A. No.
Yeah. So the
H,
second
H.
position is where H is.
Yes, H.
Now we have to look for W. Where is W? Here it is, after H, right?
Yes.
What is the index of W with respect to H? If we'll say H is 1, then W becomes what?
4.
Correct. So the answer to first problem would be 4. What would be the answer of second problem? Start from first position and look for third W.
So third W is yeah.
So starting from this first position and looking for the third W. This is the third W, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is
No.
first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
9.
Answer would be 9. Now solve this.
Now it's the second position. So so H. Start the way H.
Starting from H, because
Yeah.
this is the second position, and we are looking for fifth W. So this is
Fifth.
first W, this is second W, this is third,
Third
and this
fifth,
is fourth.
last.
There is no fifth W, right?
No, fifth. So I
There is no
yes.
fifth W. So that's why it will return 0.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
This one is important from interview perspectives. Start from third position and look for the first W after third position. What is the third position here?
Third position A.
Correct.
Oh, A.
And the first position of W after A is this, right?
Yes.
Yes.
This is first, second, and this is 3. So what would be the result?
3.
Real 3.
Correct. So this is about INSTR and SubStr. Now be ready for some problems that I will be sending you after half an hour. Try to do it by tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.